everybody, welcome to another video. And I'm sorry I haven't posted in a while. It's just been very chaotic. I did not post this summer at all, and I regret it. Also, sorry if you hear weird noises. I just ate a bunch of cookies. And speaking of cookies, that's the main thing for this video. Today we are making a cookie tier list based on how much I like cookies. Now, sadly, we didn't get no fudge stripes. We didn't get none of that. We just have some basic cookies. Some of them are basically the same. So, first up, we got animal crackers. It's pretty good. It's nothing crazy, but it's pretty good. I'll put highly prefer. Chips Ahoy. Yeah, I'm just gonna rate all Chips Ahoy like this. Outstanding cookie. Holy crap. Above animal crackers. The reason I'm not putting it and would literally die to eat this cookie is just, I'm not really doing that. Chocolate chip, S tier. Nobody needs to know why. Also, I don't know why I didn't. These rankings just came with a tier list, alright? Next up, I forgot what these are called, but they're pretty good. They're nothing crazy. Going under. Actually, no, cookie. It's fine. It's nothing crazy. Big Newtons? I've never had a Big Newton. I feel weird about saying that. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. I have not tried. Big Newtons I've not tried. I'm assuming they're pretty good, people. Fortune cookies. Honestly, they're really good. People say they taste like plastic, but honestly, they're really good. Above animal crackers, but below Chips Ahoy. Gingerbread. This is a hard one. I'm gonna put in cookie, though, sadly. Girl Scouts. Again, I've not had them. Well, not really. Frosted cookies. Honestly, they're pretty good. Above Chips Ahoy. They're really good. I wouldn't die for them, but these ones, for some reason, I don't like as much. Depending on the kiss in it, it's not that great. Sometimes they're really good, but it all depends on the Hershey kiss you use. Overall, I'm going to put in cookie, below gingerbread. Automatic S tier. It's above chocolate chip. Macarons, or macaroons, I don't know how you pronounce it, are goated. What the frick are these? What are these? They look like frosting in a cup. What is that? That actually looks pretty good. Milanos. Ooh, I could go down for Milano. Highly prefer it. Slightly above Chips Ahoy. Nilla wafers. This is a tough one. At the bottom of highly prefer. Nutter butter. Okay, don't hate me for this. I need to try it. I've not had it. I need to try it. I've heard it's really good, but I just haven't had it. I need to try that. I had the cereal, and it's actually really good. Oh, oatmeal. feel like I just witnessed a war crime. If this is oatmeal raisin, no. I'm never eating that. Unless I have to. Double stuffed Oreos. We don't have to talk about them at all. They are freaking goated. If you don't think so, what is wrong with you? Oh, and the classic Oreos. Somehow they're better than the others. What are these? I have no idea what these are. Same thing with the. They look like pretzels with chocolate in them and freaking M&M. What is that? Rainbow cake? Rainbow cake? I can't remember what those are called. Above fortune, actually. Bottom of highly preferred. I'm not a huge fan of those, but they're pretty okay. Sugar cookies. I feel like I'm gonna get hate for saying this, but they're goated. They are really goated. Possibly more than, nah, I'm joking. More than chocolate chip cookies, but less than Oreos. Is that just a plain old cookie? I feel like I'm gonna get hate for this. Goated. Goated! They're probably above the sugar cookies. That's a normal cookie. Above sugar cookies. And a lot. Excuse me. Alright. So this is the tier list. And I will literally die to eat this cookie. We have macarons, Oreo, most stuff Oreo Mega stuff, white chocolate chip cookies, double stuffed Oreo, cookie, sugar cookie, chocolate chip cookie. Then highly prefer this cookie to others. Frosted, Milano, Chips Ahoy, fortune cookie, animal cracker, Nilla wafer, rainbow cake. I cannot remember what those are called. And then in cookie, it's fine. Nothing special, but I'll take it. We have whatever this is. I have no idea the name, but it's pretty good. Gingerbread cookies and the Hershey Kiss things, but it depends on the Hershey Kiss. Then in literal trash, we have oatmeal raisin, and then I have not tried our Fig Newtons Girl Scout cookies, whatever the heck these are, Nutter Butters, whatever these two are. I hope you enjoyed this relatively short video. I just wanted to rank cookies and make a short video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.